Welcome back to my apartment's kitchen makeover, where we previously turned my bland white kitchen from this to this. The next project on this agenda is to take care of this old rusted vent hood, which is such an eyesore. I would love to rip this thing out, but obviously that's not allowed. So instead I need to come up with a solution to cover it up while still being able to use it. Since it's such a tight space, I'm using small dowels and hardboard to create a faux hood that will slide right over the top. Because the materials are so thin, I'm having to only use wood glue and staples. I added thin pieces of trim to the top and to the sides, so the hood would blend in with the cabinets more. Now for the fun part. I used brass shim stock to cover the entire lower part of the hood. This is a super easy and affordable material to use, and really elevated this project. I painted the top portion the same color as the cabinets, and voila, a new range hood. Stay tuned for part 3.